channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys 100 video ideas for small YouTubers, for big YouTubers, all those YouTubers out there who are wondering what video to do next. So let's get started. But before we do anything, I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to subscribe. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? Comment down below if you did. I'm trying to make this video kind of short so it's not too long, and so I'm just going to get straight onto the list. And the first thing you can do is a morning routine or night routine, because I'm sure people would love to see that for inspiration or how to get ready and stuff like that. Day in my life, a week in my life, skincare routine, a hair care routine, shopping spree, a get ready with me, pranky videos, DIY videos, what's on my phone, bedroom tour, especially if your bedroom is aesthetic, or the TikTok live. I'm sure people would love to see that, and that's pretty trendy. Baking videos and cooking videos, and also I might be doing a trying baking hacks video soon, so stay tuned for that. Roblox videos, Minecraft videos, Fortnite videos. I personally don't play Fortnite or Minecraft, but I'm sure people do. Crashing online Zoom classes, going an all-nighter, how-to videos, fun things to do when you're bored, clothing haul, makeup haul, cheap makeup versus high-quality makeup. I know that's pretty trendy now. Blindfolded makeup challenge, blindfolded slime challenge, makeup collection, favorite book collection or TV series. Personally, people would love to see those types of videos for inspiration. Twin telepathy challenge, ASMR videos, cleaning videos, packing videos, road trip vlogs, hacks or tips or trying hacks, for example like 5-minute crafts, pet collection, how to draw, speed build in Roblox. I love Roblox, so if you choose to make a video with that, comment down below your channel and I'll totally check it out. Speed draw, Q&A, ignoring brothers or sisters, 24-hour challenges, quarantine vlogs, what I got for my birthday or Christmas, giveaway videos, gaming videos, stop motion videos, stretching tutorials. Make sure to check out my stretching tutorials on my channel, reacting videos, and lastly everyday makeup routines. So that was it. I'm so glad I got done with this in like less than 5 minutes. So if you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, #VavySquad, for a chance to win a shout out in my next video. Bye!